Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of slope-intercept form. This is standard 8.5b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 34 off the Redesign Practice Online STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have this strange equation here written in word form here. It says the value of y is 6 less than the quotient of x and 4. And so that is a linear relationship there. And so we need to translate that into one of these 4 graphs. Okay? So our first step here is we need to go ahead and turn this into an equation, all right? And so we're going to use the slope-intercept form, and let's see what we have here. The value of y is 6 less. All right, so this value of y equals, so you see that is equals right there? All right, so we're going to say y equals, now they've got this kind of flipped here, 6 less than. Okay, so our slope-intercept form normally looks like this, right? Y equals mx plus b. Whereas this right here is my y-intercept. And then I've got my, even if it's negative, that's fine. And then my m is going to be my slope. So 6 less is going to be negative 6, right? But I'm going to go ahead and just put that on the end here. I want to do a minus 6 just so it looks like it's got that correct form. And so 6 less than the quotient, okay, so we have to know this vocabulary term there. The quotient, that's division, of x and 4, okay, so x divided by 4, or x over 4 minus 6, okay, so that's what it's looking like right there. Problem is I'm used to seeing my slope right here as being multiplied, okay, so I need to find the reciprocal. So dividing by 4 is the same as, right, so we're going to invert the operation. So the inverse of division is multiplication, and that's what I want, right? I want to get to this multiplication because that's what I'm used to right here. And then I need to find the reciprocal of 4. Well, that's just going to be 1/4. Okay, so dividing by 4 is the same as multiplying by 1/4. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it like this. So y equals 1/4 x minus 6. All right. Now I have a linear relationship as shown in the slope-intercept form that I can work with. All right, so probably the first thing we can do to knock out some of these answers is we can go ahead and look at our y-intercepts, right? So our y-intercept is right here, that minus 6. That means if x equals 0, where does the line cross the y-axis, right? So you see right there I've got A, okay, the y-intercept. So let's just put all of these out here, intercepts. Looks like I'm crossing it right there at minus 6, so that's good. Scroll down here. Also looks like I'm crossing it at minus 6. Okay, that's good. Yeah, but look at C. It's up there at positive 6. So C is crossing it at positive 6, so I'm going to eliminate C. And then D as well, also positive 6. Okay. So it's just A or B, so that's good to know. All right, let's put that right there so we can see both of them. And then what we need to look at is we need to look at our slope, right? Our slope is 1/4, right? So that means as it goes over 4, it only goes up 1, right? And so that's what we see right here. We go over 4, up 1, whereas this goes up 4, over 1. So this has got a slope of 4. This has got a slope of 1/4. So this one didn't necessarily do the reciprocal, so our answer there is going to be A.